Tired of PayPal playing games with your money? Let's unlock the secrets to keeping your PayPal funds flowing smoothly and avoiding those dreaded holds. First, build a rock-solid seller reputation by consistently delivering high-quality products and services. Happy customers leave positive reviews, which signals to PayPal that you are a trustworthy seller. Next, understand PayPal's risk assessment criteria. They're looking for things like sudden spikes in sales or selling high-risk items. Make sure your business practices appear normal and your product descriptions are accurate and detailed to help you avoid that. Optimize your shipping process. Provide tracking information promptly and ship items as quickly as possible. This shows PayPal that you're fulfilling orders efficiently. Further building trust. Address any customer disputes immediately and professionally. Quick resolutions prevent escalations and demonstrate your commitment to customer satisfaction. If possible, diversify your payment processing options. Don't rely solely on PayPal. This reduces your dependency with a single platform and provides a safety net if holds do occur. Provide detailed transaction information for every sale, including clear invoices and purchase descriptions. This transparency can help PayPal understand the nature of your transactions. Always adhere to PayPal seller protection guidelines to safeguard yourself against fraudulent claims. Review their policies regularly to stay informed and compliant. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of PayPal holding your funds and enjoy a more predictable financial flow.